Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of interview series. Today I'm going to tell you how you can get the nth highest salary from a table. And this is the most important question which is asked each and every interview of SQL or any database related job. And by this, after watching this video, you can have three solutions by which you can get second highest salary, third, fourth, and n number of highest salary, and definitely you can be so confident while giving you the answer to the interview. So let's get started and get benefited out of it. So here we have a table called TBL employee, and let's say order by salary in descending order. So here we have 8 employees and the highest salary is 13, and the next is 12,000, and next is 11,000, and then 10,000. Here we need to extract the third highest salary. So the first way is by the dense rank function. So select, let's say if I need a name, salary, then dense rank function. This is the syntax of dense rank. Order by salary in descending order from TBL employee. So this is the, let's say, give it the alias name here. Alias name, let's say, is R. So these are three fields where the name, salary, and rank. So this is the rank. So we need third rank out of it. So here we can do one thing. So we can select staff from this table. So this is the table. Now this is the table from which we need to extract the data, where R equal to 3. If we need third highest salary, we will put the R equal to N. N would be 3 because we need third highest salary. So here you can see that there are 4 employees where the salary is 11,000. So I hope you understood the concept. Next is through the distinct. So let's run the basic query and try to understand it. Select distinct top 3 salary from TBL. So here we have top 3 salaries, 11,000, 10,000, and now order by, so that we can get the correct output. Order by salary and in descending order. So here we have 3 outputs, 13, 12, and 11,000. Now what we need, the third highest salary. Third highest salary is the minimum salary out of it. So we will take the minimum salary from this table, which is called, let's say, X. So minimum salary is 11,000. So here, let's say, give it the name salary. And now we need, if this is the only value, we can give it to the interviewer. If he or she is asking the whole table, we can give him or her the field of whole table. So this is the, let's say, table name from salary in. So this is the salary. So let's say what we get, sorry, where salary in. So this is the output what we were looking for. So 11,000 is the highest third highest salary which we were looking for. So this was the second way to get the third highest salary out of the table. The third way is to get through a formula, like it is also through the count. So select count of distinct salary from the table is TBL employee. So the count is 4. Basically there are 4 rows salary. So this is the, there are four, let's say it gives the name R, because this is the count of the employees. So there are four different or you can say unique salary structure: 11,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, and 13,000. So there are four type of distinct count of salaries. So here we can give the select star from, let's say, so we need to give the self join with the same table. So let's say it's a employee one join, where we need to give the third highest salary, so it will be 3 minus 1 equal to, so here this is the table name. Let's say it's this alias name is employee 2, where employee 2 dot salary is greater than employee 1 dot salary. So here we will get the 11,000 again. So these three ways by which we can get the nth highest salary from it. So if interviewer asks the highest salary, so you just need to do the max and max salary from TBL employee. There is no need to think or no need to give the answer or no need to give the write any syntax to get the maximum salary. If he or she wants the minimum salary, you can give the minimum salary by the function min. So these three ways we can get the third highest salary or nth highest salary, whatever you want. And you can get the multiple. There are two more ways, but in those two more ways we can get the correct value, but the salary structure should be unique. But so let's say if I would give you the same value, but you know, by the rank function and by the second way is by the row number function. But you will get the correct value or correct output if the value, if the salary or if the column is unique. Otherwise you will get the wrong answer out of it. Just you need to put the rank over here and you need to give the row number over here. There is no need to change anything in the syntax. So you will get the correct value, but I told you that if the field value is unique or distinct, then only you will get the correct value out of it. So these three ways were by which you can get the correct or the nth highest salary out of the table. So this was it in the video. So I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, subscribe my channel so that click the bell icon so that you can get the notification once I upload the useful video for you in the future. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a nice day.